Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today we got a great one. We are going to be doing a review, an unboxing, and a first cook on the brand new Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. I've got it right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Exciting, right? But it does all kinds of great stuff. 15-minute meals. You can put everything in. You can steam, air fry, bake, cook, all that good stuff. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and slice this thing open just real quick to kind of see what it comes with. Actually, right off the bat on the lid right here, you can't see, but it says right here, it just says setting up. I'll show you that in a minute. How to kind of do a quick start, some meals right here, then obviously all the air fryer or cooking stuff, the start guide, and meals and some other stuff. We can kind of go through that as well, and fairly simple. And I know there's just basically a crisper tray in here, so what I'm going to do is actually take it out of the box. We'll be right back. Voila, got it out of the box. Super easy, just obviously came right out with just a little bit of styrofoam, but anyways, we got it out. First thing I want to do is just go ahead and open it up, and here's a little thing right here, just pull it up. And first thing I notice is the heating element up here, no splash guard. We'll check that out. Then it comes with, let's see here, I'm sure this is like the crisper tray or the tray that goes in the bottom. And then I'm assuming just the baking pot. Get that out here and have a look, see? Yeah, and then the cooking pot that it comes with. And then in the bottom, which is cool because it's almost like maybe like a crock pot or something like that. So you have the air frying function, and in the bottom you got your heating element right there, which is great. So I like that. And then the feature that I really liked right here is a switch. You can go from air fry to rapid cooking. I want to try that as well. And the face looks pretty sleek. The whole machine actually looks really good. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and plug it in, turn it on, and then we will do a cook as well. We'll be right back. All right, so we've got it unboxed. We actually got it. I just plugged it in. Now the first thing that you want to do is, actually I got it over here, is you have to, the inserts, the pan that it comes with, go ahead and get some warm soapy water, wipe that down as well as that tray, because it comes with some kind of manufacturer's oil or something on it. You just want to make sure to get that off. So just rinse it off and it'll be fine, because if you start it up with that on, it's going to stink. Alright, so now the first thing that I like is this switch right here, which is on air fry right now, so it's over on this side. When you switch it to rapid cooker, that blue light goes over rapid cook, and you got your different functions here. So you got your buttons to go up and down the different functions. You can see the little light right here, it's switching, so you can do that. And then same on the air fry side, we'll switch it to air fry, and then same thing, you can go up and down. And then you have your temperature, obviously, right here, which is really easy. And then your time, however long you want to do it. And as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do, the other thing after you clean the inside out, I always like to let it run on high for about 15 minutes just to kind of get any of that extra stuff off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'll put it for 20, but we're on air fry 390. Go ahead and press start, 20 minutes. So I'll let it run for 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we'll do a cook, and then we'll do a wrap up. But so far, this thing looks awesome and amazing. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we are done. So 20 minutes, let it go. And actually, that little bit of that smell came, kind of that manufacturer's oil, whatever. So make sure to water, soap, clean it out, run it for 20 minutes or so on high to get all that stuff out. Now what we're going to do is we are going to do a quick cook. What I got here is some chicken wings. I just seasoned up some garlic salt, some pepper, some smoky jalapeno seasoning, nothing special. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, almost a dozen here. And so we're just going to go ahead, sizzle. Put them in, see how many we can fit. I'm sure these will all be able to fit here. No problem. yeah, it's gonna be about a dozen wings in there or so. Take a look here. There we go. All good to go. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and close this top. And the reason why I wanted the wings is because this actually gives me a good idea of the air flow in the unit as well. So we are still on air fry. I'm gonna leave it on 390. I am gonna set it, let's go up to 20 minutes. And what we'll do is we'll check it every probably 10 minutes to kind of see where we're at. So let's go and see how these things turn out. See you in a minute. Okay guys, actually I got preoccupied, so I actually let this thing run for the whole 20 minutes. I hope they're not burnt, because I don't want to redo it. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Pleasantly surprised. Take a look. Those look crispy. Oh yeah, real crispy. Good. Perfect color. Oh, ooh, hot. All right. So what I'm going to do is take these out, and then we'll do a quick wrap up. I do want to talk about a couple of the functions here and whatnot. So we'll meet you up top. Hold on. All right, everybody. So we are done, and I'm super impressed. The chicken wings came out absolutely perfect and crispy, and both sides cooked perfect. And what that tells me is that there is great airflow. So all my cooks on this are going to be amazing. And I also wanted to talk about the rapid meals portion of this. I can't wait to try it. Just make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos, because I'm going to be doing a lot of cooks. Actually, I got an outside of the box cook that I got planned for this. So I'm gonna do that. But overall, this thing, like all Ninja products that I've had or owned so far, are really good. And only time will tell, but it seems like it's really built really good. The function's super easy to use, and I can't wait to try the 15-minute meals and stuff. So anyway, oh yes, crispy chicken wings. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. With that being said, we will catch you on the next cook/review. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.